What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Young Batman. You already know what it is. We out here dropping buckets, boy. Yes, we back with another video, and today will be an unboxing. So let's get into the video. Okay, guys, let's get into the unboxing. Before we get into the unboxing, I'd like to give a big shout out to a female waver, Shonda McCullum. She is the creator of the mold method. Check her out on the Facebook pages. She's an awesome waver. She made up the mold method, and it's getting really popular in the wave game, and what you can see has been really good for coarse wavers, and it's changed the game. Alright, y'all, we're gonna get with the unboxing. So as you can see, on the Teflon site is a moisturizer and oil. So we're gonna get into that. Teflon moisturizer or butter. Teflon whip moisturizer, actually, if you can see that. Teflon whip moisturizer. Yeah, it's pretty dope. We're gonna try this out. I haven't tried it yet, but I will try this out. We'll let you guys know, how it works, how it is. Also, Teflon 4 essential oils. So on the site, pretty dope. 4 essential oils. I'm gonna be trying this out too. I'm gonna let you know how it works. Hopefully we can use the Teflon jelly, then throw this in after. We'll see how it works. We're gonna keep you posted on that. If you can look on the website, I'm gonna show you exactly what's in the moisturizer and what's in the oils. And as you can see from the website, the Teflon moisturizer whip contains cocoa butter, mango butter, cocoa butter, shea butter, aloe vera, hemp seed oil, flaxseed oil, argan oil, ginseng root, natural harvest seed, and it's great for moisturization, hair growth, and hair health. It's pretty dope stuff. We're gonna try this out and see what's up. On 4 essential oils includes grapeseed oil, argan oil, flaxseed oil, castor oil, and also has extra oils added to it. So it's a jojoba oil and hemp seed oil. This stuff seems pretty dope. Like I said, we're gonna try this out. We're gonna see how this works. Go ahead and check out the website down in the description. Use my promo code for a discount. It's Batman. Pick up some more wave jelly. Check out the site. It's all there. But before we get out, I'm just gonna, gonna check out the waves, see how things are looking, and then we're gonna close out. We out of here. Make sure y'all comment, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell for the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, y'all.